Bonjour, mes amis. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure through France, and our spotlight is on the iconic choucroute. But before we indulge in this delicious dish, let's unravel some lesser-known facts about it. Did you know that choucroute, also known as Sauerkraut in German, has its roots in Alsace, a region known for its rich culinary traditions? This hearty dish is a delightful fusion of French and German influences, reflecting the region's unique history and cultural heritage. Now, let's talk about the star ingredient, sauerkraut. While sauerkraut is typically associated with German cuisine, it plays a starring role in choucroute as well. Made from fermented cabbage, sauerkraut adds a tangy and complex flavor to the dish, perfectly complementing the richness of the meats. Here's an intriguing fact. Choucroute is traditionally made with a variety of meats, including smoked sausages, ham, and pork belly. Each type of meat is carefully selected and prepared to ensure a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. And here's a lesser-known tidbit. Choucroute is often enjoyed with a side of mustard, which adds a tangy kick to the dish and enhances its savory flavors. In Alsace, it's common to find artisanal mustards made with local ingredients, offering a unique and flavorful accompaniment to the meal. Choucroute has been enjoyed in France for centuries, with its origins dating back to the Roman Empire. It's believed that the Romans introduced the technique of fermenting cabbage to the region, laying the foundation for this beloved dish that continues to be cherished today. The cultural significance of choucroute in Alsace. In addition to being a delicious meal, choucroute is also a symbol of hospitality and generosity. It's often served during festive occasions such as weddings and harvest festivals, bringing people together to celebrate and share in the joy of good food. Juniper berries are a key ingredient in choucroute, adding a subtle earthy flavor and aroma to the dish. These aromatic berries are also believed to have medicinal properties, with some cultures using them to aid digestion and promote overall well-being. And here's a lesser-known tidbit. Choucroute is often enjoyed with a glass of crisp Alsatian Riesling, which pairs perfectly with the rich flavors of the dish. The acidity of the wine cuts through the richness of the meats and sauerkraut, cleansing the palate and leaving you craving another bite. Did you know that choucroute is not just a dish, but also a celebration of Alsatian craftsmanship? In addition to the skill required to prepare the dish itself, the region is also renowned for its production of world-class wines, which are often paired with choucroute to enhance the dining experience. The symbolism of choucroute in Alsatian culture. Beyond its role as a delicious meal, choucroute is also seen as a symbol of resilience and perseverance. Throughout history, the people of Alsace have faced numerous challenges, but their enduring love for choucroute has remained steadfast, a testament to their strength and spirit. Vinegar is a key ingredient in choucroute, adding a tangy acidity that balances the richness of the sauerkraut and meats. This acidity not only enhances the flavor of the dish but also aids in digestion, making choucroute a satisfying and comforting meal. And here's a lesser-known tidbit. Choucroute is often enjoyed with a side of Alsatian-style potatoes, known as pommes de terre au lard. These potatoes are thinly sliced and cooked with bacon and onions until golden and crispy, adding another layer of flavor and texture to the meal. Enjoyed alongside another Alsatian specialty, beer. The region boasts a rich brewing tradition, with breweries dating back centuries. Pairing choucroute with a locally brewed beer is a time-honored tradition, as the crisp, refreshing beverage perfectly complements the rich flavors of the dish. Now, let's talk about the role of juniper berries in choucroute. These aromatic berries not only add depth of flavor to the dish but also have a long history of medicinal use. In ancient times, juniper berries were believed to have healing properties and were used to treat various ailments, making them a valuable addition to the culinary repertoire. Choucroute is not just a dish, but also a form of culinary diplomacy. In recent years, choucroute has been showcased at international food festivals and cultural events as a symbol of French gastronomy. Its popularity abroad has helped to promote French cuisine and foster cultural exchange between nations. Mustard plays a crucial role in the enjoyment of choucroute. In Alsace, mustard is considered an essential condiment, with locals priding themselves on their artisanal mustard-making techniques. Whether mild or spicy, mustard adds a zesty kick to choucroute, elevating its flavors to new heights. Bon appétit! Join us next time as we continue to uncover the culinary wonders of Alsace. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.